Look at this! Insta360 Flow Creator Kit AI-powered smartphone stabilizer. If you want the flowiest, smoothest video possible on planet Earth in 2023, this might get you there. 3-axis stabilization, human tracking, they call it Deep Track 3.0. I mean, it'll like actually follow a dude. 1-step rapid deploy, AI-powered editing via the app. There's a built-in selfie stick and tripod, magnetic design, I like magnets, all-day battery life, and a smart wheel. Flap goes here. Ooh. Transparent aspect in the design. I think this is your travel configuration. It's all nice and tight and easy to carry with you. Look at this. Whoa. A storage container, magnetically attaching light. It'll spin all the way around. Color temperature and intensity settings on the top via buttons. Got to have your spring-loaded phone holder. This will fit a large phone or a smaller phone. The strap included as well. We'll be able to go directly from our smartphone into the gimbal, get a little battery going. And then there's also a Type-C to Lightning. Everything is going to be able to pack up into this little case. Easy enough. This is so much easier now. With the magnet, instead here, look at that. It's that simple. And when you're done, you clip off. That is a genius solution. So that's it. That's your setup process. That's pretty sweet. This is going to have your power button to allow you to flip the camera around for selfie video. You have a dedicated record button. This is for motorized movements, pans, tilts of the actual camera on the smartphone. Auto, which is the most beginner friendly. Follow, which is going to be vertical movements. Pan follow, horizontal movements. This is for, I don't know, your fitness, extreme sports type of tasks. And then FPV for FPV style movements. Shooting 4K 30 FPS, use the classic grip, double tap to switch from vertical to horizontal video. So vertical video, Mo might use this for all these vertical videos that we're doing. Oh, I just realized something going on here. Boom, and boom, and boom. And then you're boom. Now you're stepping up like all types of your video game. Kind of now like a robotic cameraman over here. Once you set the follow. What? Holy. You know what? Not even just for selfie, but also kind of like for framing or for gimbally stuff. So I can create these really smooth pan shots like this. And of course, tilt in either direction. Boom. 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 And what about flipping to horizontal? Got it. And then it should be the same. Yep. Why is that so satisfying? By the way, this thing is so quiet. All right, here we go. Hand track. Extend your palm. Keep it within 4 meters. Boom. Yep, it's got your face. And I'm not moving. Look, my hand's not moving. Jack's moving. Cam's moving. Gimbal's moving. So it loses him behind and it finds him after he comes on the other side of the monitor. It finds him. Silently tracking. Never forgetting your face. Where did he go? There he is. There he is. Where did he go? There he is. Imagine how terrifying Jack Peekaboo. You don't want anything to do with that. Nightmare fuel right there. That's an incredibly useful one for the one-man camera team. Hit record, trigger with the gesture for it to track you, and as you just sort of walk around and do your video, it's taking care of everything else. Panning, tilting. You also have 24 and 25 FPS settings if you want to get artistic, and you can dial the resolution back to 1080 or 720. When it comes to shutter, ISO, white balance, you can leave it in auto or you can have manual control over it. Obviously, you also have access to your different cameras on your device, whether it's wide, ultra wide, or telephoto. You can do things like set the follow speed. If you want a faster, more jerky action to follow the individual, you can go up to fast. It's in medium by default. You can also slow it down for those kind of more flowy types of pans and tilts. And at any point, you can obviously also override and just use a little joystick to create your own shots. We have Pano Photo, video time lapse, time shift, slow motion. There's a dolly zoom functionality where you kind of draw a box on the screen and you'll get that nice smooth zoom. Widescreen mode, live mode, and hoop mode, which is specifically for basketball. Wow, that's pretty cool. So it's all about action and activity here, and essentially having a tool that replaces much larger professional equipment in something that can fold up and fit in your pocket and utilize camera on your smartphone, which is already extremely capable. This just takes it to another level. So the light magnetically attaches to the base here. It'll plug in this location right here. And just like that, we're having some light output. You can use this output to keep your device charged using the internal battery on the gimbal itself. It functions exactly the same. The cable doesn't come into the frame or anything. They've really thought about everything. This can step anyone's game up. Anyone who creates smartphone video, and you're gonna be capable of techniques that you couldn't possibly replicate with just your phone. And that's kind of the idea. Insta360 Flow, starting at $159. What are you doing, buying or selling?